Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, September 16th, and this is my PM recap for the US dollar, and we are on the 4-hour time frame to start with because we made new highs on the 4-hour and daily today. Now, normally when you make new highs, if you put your Fibonacci retracement on the pullback and then add these extra levels, the 138, the 123, and the 105 are normally pretty likely areas for a turn. Now, this definitely still could be an A, this could be a B, and this could be a C. We have big news coming out tomorrow. So if it does, double top at one of these levels, make a nice break to the downside, then it potentially would be the beginning of a very large move to the downside. Like I've been saying all week long, for a few weeks now, the problem with this bearish outlook is that the trend is definitely up on the monthly, the weekly, and the daily. What does that tell me? That tells me that it could just pull back and then shoot right up. There's no reason to say that this trend is over. I personally would prefer to wait for the news to make an impulsive move down, and then if it does that, I would wait for a pullback, and then I would potentially go short on the pullback. So as of right now, because none of that has happened yet, I would definitely still be recommending longs on sort of time frames. It could go up to the 123, it could go up to the 138, which is right around the 1.2 or 1.195 area. So definitely still looking for longs on pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.